The year when the first International Prison Congress was held in London. A. 1870, B. 1872, C. 1936, D. 1938. Answer B. 1872. The year when the League of Nations adopted the standard minimum rules for the treatment of prisoners. A. 1932, B. 1934, C. 1936, D. 1938. Answer B. 1934. A code that adopted the principle of eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. A. Code of Kalantiaw, B. Hammurabi Code, C. Bible, D. French Code. Answer B. Hammurabi Code. A nation that pioneered banishment as a form of punishment. A. England, B. Spain, C. France, D. Italy. Answer A. England. Country wherein the last recorded burning at the stake was made. A. Germany, B. USA, C. England, D. France. Answer A. Germany. A school of thought advocated by Dr. Lombroso, Ferry, and Garofalo. A. Modern Clinical School, B. Italian School, C. Neoclassical School of Thought, D. Classical School of Thought. Answer B. Italian School. Issued by the court to a correctional facility indicating the basis for the confinement of a prisoner. A. Mitimus, B. Detention order, C. Bail, D. Probation order. Answer A. Mitimus. It starts from the admission report of individual inmates and serves as the basis for granting parole. A. Admission summary, B. Behavior report, C. Misconduct report, D. Cumulative case summary. Answer D. Cumulative case summary. An advocate of the classical school of penology claimed that society must reward those who accept responsibility and punish those who do not. A. Bentham, B. Beccaria, C. Lombroso, D. Ferry. Answer A. Bentham. The place wherein a newly convicted prisoner is housed for at least a minimum period of 5 days for the conduct of medical examination, vaccinations, and x-rays to prevent physical contamination. A. Reception and Diagnostic Center, B. Medical Center, C. Infirmary, D. Quarantine Unit. Answer D. Quarantine unit.